Welcome once again, and let's talk about Teruna Classic Coin. Now, Robinhood are now getting more interest on Teruna Classic Coin, and we are happy to see Robinhood getting more interest on Teruna Classic Coin. Remember, Binance is one of the biggest supporters of Teruna Classic. Even the Binance founder CZ is really supporting this coin. Now we have been hoping to see Robinhood start supporting Teruna Classic Coin, because Robinhood, remember, these guys can really help a particular coin. And one important thing about Teruna Classic is that the community of Teruna Classic are so much supporting in Teruna Classic in terms of burning, in terms of talking. If I go to Twitter, you will see how people are really talking about Teruna Classic comes 2023. Everyone believes that Teruna Classic can hit 1 penny, 1 cent this year, and I still believe that even some of the people that actually say Teruna Classic can even reach $1. I don't think it's easy to reach $1, but I believe hitting 1 cent this year is more possible, especially if we can start getting the support from Coinbase, from Robinhood. Now, Robinhood, there are some things going on between Robinhood and Teruna Classic founder, and I hope that everything will comes out to be that Teruna Classic will soon get listed on Robinhood. And with Robinhood, Teruna Classic is going to gain a lot of rise, a lot of percentage in terms of market cap, in terms of community, in terms of price. Yes, and although we are still hoping, most importantly, for Coinbase to actually list this coin, and I believe by the time top exchanges will be coming in row, we have a lot of exchanges that actually listed this coin. But the truth is, Coinbase and Robinhood can really bring a difference, especially Coinbase. They can really help this coin to really grow more faster than we think. And I'm hoping to see that this year becomes the year that a lot of Teruna Classic holders will be smiling. Actually, a lot of people, I bought Teruna Classic coin last year, though after the crash. I decided to invest because I look at the project, I look at what the plans they have. Most importantly, I look at how Binance founder CZ is really supporting this coin, and I believe that this coin is definitely going to become one of the biggest coins of 2023. And if you can see, Teruna Classic is going to be a very massive coin soon. But please remember,